Let's begin with a course description or a course outline. Click Tools in the upper menu bar and select Course Outline. If you've previously built an outline, MarkBook will automatically load it. This particular outline is supplied inside MarkBook's 2020 sample folder. There's a lot of typing on this screen, but go ahead and fill out the location, optional terms, and a heading, and then click the forward arrow to get to the Units and Policies screen. Notice this course has been broken down into 4 curriculum units, and there's an exam or culminating activity at the end. Also note that dates have been inserted for each of the curriculum units. Policies and resources. Again, there are teaching strategies, resources, class management, and so on, all available to you. When you've completed this, I recommend saving it. So you'll click File and Save it. And then you can go to Publish it. You can print it on paper. So I'll print it like this to a virtual printer. And there's what it looks like on a piece of paper. This can be handed out to students. I suggest you have them 3-hole drill it and put it in their binder. Also take it home to the parents so that the parents have an idea of what the course looks like. You can also take that course outline and publish it as an HTML document. So I'm going to save the HTML, save it, I'm going to view the page. And this document can be put up on a website, either the school's website or your teacher's personal website, to communicate the same information, including the dates on which you plan to deliver each of the curriculum units. To open MarkBook's Unit and Lesson Planner, again go to the Tools menu and select the Planner. It will be blank if this is the first time reaching this screen. However, we supply a sample. Go to File, Open a Unit, and on the C drive inside MarkBook 2020 there is a samples folder, and there's an MUP file located there. Open it, and the screen displays this unit plan called Introduction to Ecology with 16 class lessons. Click on any lesson to highlight it, and then click the forward arrow to see the next screen. Fill out the fields as appropriate. Note that not all fields have to be filled. The next screen gives a sequence and assessments as appropriate, and a follow-up screen can be filled in as well. Once you have completed a unit plan, click File and click Save that unit plan as a .mup file. It's also possible to publish your unit plan. You can print a unit summary on paper. You can print a selected lesson on paper. You can print the entire summary in HTML with lesson dates, or you can print just a single lesson in HTML. Let's take a look at HTML with lesson dates. And there's what it looks like as a web document. Save your course description and unit plan files. Share them with colleagues. Use them again next semester or next year. When you publish such documents, you pass on certain messages to your audience, parents and students. Firstly, you're providing valuable information for them. Secondly, you're passing on not so subtle messages about yourself. You're organized. You know your stuff. You manage time well. Clearly, you're the consummate professional. As it turns out, students work harder and learn better from people they believe are good teachers. If you look good, you become good.